So this is how I do my top knot buns when I'm wearing this long hair. Like, this hair is long, you guys, and I get so many compliments, so many compliments when I wear my hair like this. I'm going to go into detail about how I do this. Maybe I should tilt my camera up some. There we go. So I'm in my bathroom and I'm going to show y'all exactly how I do this top knot, because so many people keep asking, specifically the picture that I posted on my Instagram. So I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna do an updated one. So don't laugh at how my hair looks, but this is how I part my hair to do this style. So first of all, this is the part that goes up with the top knot. Okay, this is, I don't know what this piece of hair is. So basically what I do is I part it like this, like you were putting all of it up. But then I also part it again on the sides. I hope you guys can see. I also part it again on the sides, which is kind of getting raggedy now. I've had my hair like this for a few days. So I part it on the side, part it on the side, gel this side down or back, tuck it under. So then I'm just left with this part. So that's how I part my hair for my top knots when I wear the Mogan half wig, which is the wig I'm using to show you guys this. And then I put, my hair is just pinned in the back. It's nappy, like it's not even worth showing, like it's nappy right now. So this is the wig. Okay, this is getting on my nerves. This is the wig that I use, the long lustrous Mogan wig. I guess having this light over here might help brighten this up just a little bit. So anyway, as I was saying, this is the wig that I'm using. This is the Mogan half wig. So she is synthetic. She's getting old. She's getting tangly. Yeah, like back here is all tangled, but no one sees that. So for the top knot part, I just pull some hair and separate it from the rest of the wig. However you want, however much hair you want. As you can see through the wig cap a little bit, but once it's on your head and your hair is black, you're not going to be able to see through there. So this is the part that I always put up with this part. So I get a wig cap, and I did have a beige wig cap, but then I realized you might be able to see the beige wig cap through it. So I'm just going to use my grip cap. Y'all know these wig grip caps and wig grips in general are a godsend. Like, oh wait, before I put that on, the gel I use for my hair is the Wet Line Extreme Gel. I have been loving using this gel for everything because it works really, really good. So I use this to gel down my sides a little bit. So I'm going to take a little water and just spray it on my sides to get it a little moist and to uncrunch it, I guess, if that makes sense. So I just spray some water on it. As you can see, that's already making it lay down a little flatter. Am I in focus? Like, come on. So then I just take my little edge control brush and put some gel on it, and I'll just slap it down, and I'll gel these down. Do the same thing on the other side. Put some gel. And my hair needs to be washed, but it's okay, I'm washing it on Wednesday. Today is Sunday, by the way. So I just put some gel on it, make it nice and slick, and then I'll take my comb, and then this is where I'll do like some little swoops or whatever you want to call it. See, I'm just making some swoops. I feel like my camera is not focusing on me right now. So we got some little swoops going on. Then I'll do like my little sideburns and I'll swoop those. And then I'll do the same thing on the other side. Make some swoops with my edges and then do my sideburns. Just like that. This part we do last. So I'll spray this part with some water. And then I like brush it up with some leftover gel that was on my brush. And you're just making this part look neat and sleek because you want this part to be neat and sleek, if that makes sense. And you can part your hair however you want for your top knot bun. So y'all know my hairline is uneven, as you can see. So this is how my hair is looking right now. Again, I parted it down and then parted it here, slicked these down, pulled this up and plaited it. And it's just been plaited ever since. Now is when you put your wig cap on. If you got a black wig cap, that'll work too. But I'm just gonna put this on halfway, Velcro it in the back, and bam, the back of your hair is covered. Now is when you take your wig, if you're using the same wig that I'm using, which I highly recommend, then you're just gonna put this wig on your hair. Just like this. And now this is when you take this part that you got the rubber band on, and I'm going to take this rubber band off, of course. Now this is when you take your hair and the hair that you separated on your wig, and you're going to put it together and make sure it's nice and tight. I'm going to take that same rubber band and just put it on. I'm going to put them in the ponytail together, if that makes sense. Now you have your wig part and then you have your hair. So this is my hair, which is kind of long. So what I have to do is just wrap it around the base of the ponytail and just keep on wrapping. Keep on wrapping. And try not to do it too tight. Then I take some bobby pins and pin down the rest. So now you're just left with the ponytail. I've seen girls wear it like this, but with a different wig, like with a different wig pattern, of course, because I feel like with this wig, it's kind of a little sloppy, just a little bit. So what I do now is I'll take the hair. You'll need some bobby pins. Hope you guys can see. This is what it looks like. And I will fold it backwards. This is also how I do a top knot bun. If I'm just doing like, I mean, this is a top knot bun too, but if I'm just doing like the regular bun, then I'll just like do it like that, but I'm not doing the regular bun. This is where you'll need some bobby pins. So I'll take the hair, okay, and you'll make sure this is as flat as you can get it. Now I'll take this hair and I will put my thumb here and I'll just roll this hair backwards and it'll look like that, and then you'll pin it down. I hope you guys can get the gist of what I'm saying. So then I'll bobby pin it. I'll bobby pin it in the back, so now it looks like this. And then I'll take the hair and pull it down like that. And then this is where you just put the bobby pins wherever you would like to put them, and you shape the bun however you want to shape it. And you just make the bun how you want it to be shaped. So I think this is a pretty good shape. Now this is also where you take your edge control. And I love the eBim 24-hour edge tamer. This works wonders on my edges, y'all. So what I'll do is I'll just take my edges, I'll comb them forward a little bit, comb them forward. Y'all see me combing my little edges. And then I'll put some of this edge tamer on. I love the way it smells. And I'll put it on my edges, just like that. going up into my ponytail. I feel like my camera is just not really focusing like it's supposed to. Like y'all are not getting the gist of this greatness. But here we are. This hair is starting to tangle. So like I said, I barely, like when I wear this wig, I barely touch it because of this. Except when it starts tangling, like I'll pull some of the tangles apart. But then that's it. Like this is not a wig you want to run your fingers through. Like you just want to let it do what it do. You don't want to touch it. You just want to do what you have to, and that's it. So that is it for this tutorial, you guys. It comes out so bomb. So this is the side, and like I said, you have your little edges. It just looks so good. And then there's this side, and I could have did this side a little better when it comes to how I did this part, but it's drying now, so it's a little too late to manipulate it. But this is it, you guys. Hope you guys can see. Okay, I'm trying to adjust this lighting so y'all can see how it looks. This is the side. Now I can turn this light back on. There we go. You guys can see it a little better now. That is it. Like if I'm not explaining this, like I could literally do this in like 5 minutes, but I wanted to explain so you guys could know. So this is how I do my top knot buns when I'm wearing this long hair. Like this hair is long, you guys, and I get so many compliments, when I wear my hair like this. So that is it, you guys. That is literally it. I don't do anything else, and I go on about my day, and this is what I do. At night I just undo what I just did, take this wig off because you don't want to sleep in it. It's synthetic. It will tangle even faster if you sleep in it. So ladies, please do not sleep in this wig. I'm telling you, you're gonna regret it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Let me know what you think down below. And if you buy this wig, I will have a link for it down below. It's literally like $20, y'all, and it's cute holiday hairstyle. So if you guys like this video, I said that already, duh. Anyways, so I thank you guys so much for watching, and have a good day.